Hi, welcome back to my channel, and we've changed the setup. We've gotten out of a room. We'll probably go back to it in the next video, but I just thought that the setup is right for today's video. We'll go back to it eventually. So this video is going to be a bit different. It's not really going to be different, but it's going to be straight from the heart. Even when I was talking to a few people about this video, I was asked, what have you prepared for the video? And I was like, I don't have a preparation, I don't have a script, I don't have pointers. मेरे को ज़रूरत नहीं है भाई इस वीडियो के लिए to have pointers and to prepare. I'm literally sitting without my iPad, I'm sitting without my notepad, I only have my phone here. 2:12 a.m. by the way. We continue to shoot at odd hours. So yeah, why I did not need to prepare for this video is because it is something that's been happening to me for a very long time, and I know that it's something that's happened to a lot of people a lot of the times. And in this video I'm just going to talk about why people who want to content do not do content, because I know a lot of people, and I'm sure that there are a lot of people who think that they have a lot to bring to the content table, who think that they'll be very good, that they have all of these creative ideas, and that they have all of these things that they want to do with content in the world of videos and all of this. And I mean, people just don't start, and people do not delve into it, people do not give into it because of certain reasons, and it takes them years before they figure out that no one really cares. And I mean, and they can do whatever they want, they can start whenever they want, and not really care much about things that they care about at the moment. And why I know all of this? Because I cared about people and what people thought and what people had to say before I started this. Because it's not like I had the idea of starting a YouTube channel and I started it the next day. It actually took me a good 10 years before I started the YouTube channel from when I first had the idea. So a lot of it had to do with my thinking and the way that I thought, and the way that I thought that people would judge me. Oh, what if people see through my real personality? Or what if I just am not good at it? Because I think I have a lot of good ideas. I think that I can do a lot, and I think that I can contribute a lot. But what if my ideas are not good? And what if people make fun of me? And what if people just think that he's dumb for doing this? And then one fine day I realized that I don't care. I don't care what people think. I don't care what people have to say about me. I don't even care if I'm not good at it, and I don't even care if I don't make it here. But it is something that I wanted to do, and दैट इज़ वाई आई स्टार्टेड इट. हम लोग ना बहुत बार उस चीज़ में घुस जाते हैं कि भाई लोगों को क्या लगेगा, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोगों के क्या ओपिनियन होंगे इस चीज़ को लेकर, भाई मेरे बारे में लोग क्या सोचेंगे, मेरे परसेप्शन ख़राब हो जाएगा, मेरा पब्लिक परसेप्शन ख़राब हो जाएगा, इज़ वॉट आई ऑलवेज यूज टू से कि भाई. एंड देन इट टुक मी so many years to realize that I do not have a public perception. I do not have a public identity. I mean, people don't know me. I probably have a couple of hundred people who know me because of friends, and because of school, and because of college, and because of, you know, just the fact that they're my relatives. But people do not know me. I'm not famous. I'm not someone who has a public personality yet. And why do I need to care about any of it? I am sure कि बहुत लोग अभी भी जो content creation या videos बनाना, short form बनाना, long form बनाना कुछ भी start ही नहीं करते हैं, because they fear कि भाई लोग क्या सोचेंगे. And honestly, after waiting for so many years to start doing what I wanted to do, and after waiting so many years to actually just putting my creative self out there and putting whatever I want to do out there, it is just so liberating. It is extremely liberating to be able to do this. And it is not worth it. I mean, I just think कि सोच के बैठना कि भाई लोग क्या सोचेंगे, उनको कैसा लगेगा, वो मेरे को क्या बोलेंगे, it is just not worth it, because people do not care. And that is the one thing that I told myself when I first started making reels 2 or 3 years ago, कि भाई no one cares. And people would not care beyond a certain point. Oh, people might look at me and say like, अच्छा इसने भी reels बनाना शुरू कर दिया. A couple of people might make fun of me कि ये क्या हरकतें कर रहा है. But I don't think beyond that anyone cares. And I think that just is such a big speed breaker. It is such a huge mental block in the minds of people who want to do content but are not able to because of a certain public perception. एंड बीइंग एंक्शस कि भाई लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में, या मैं कैमरा पे कैसा लगूंगा, या मैं कैमरा पे आ गया तो भाई मेरी पब्लिक पर्सनैलिटी ख़राब हो जाएगी. तुम्हारी पब्लिक पर्सनैलिटी नहीं है भाई. No one really cares about what you do. No one really cares about what you're doing. And beyond a certain point, I don't think you're answerable to anyone but your family. And if your family is okay with it, I don't think that there is anything wrong. If you have the mind, if you think that you're creative, if you think that you're worth the time and effort that goes into content creation, I think you should go for it, because it is not something that you should keep sitting on. content creation is so liberating if you want to do it. And I'm not saying that कि सबको content creation में घुस जाना चाहिए. You might not be made for content creation. What the hell do I know? I mean, I might not be made for content creation. I have only been doing this properly 1-2 महीने से ही. 2 महीने भी नहीं हुए मेरे को. तो मेरे को मतलब मेरे पास कुछ आई डोंट हैव अ सैम्पल साइज और आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग यू नो कि मैं दिखाऊं कि अच्छा भाई ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन. मुझे नहीं पता. आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. आई हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. आई हैव लिटरली जस्ट स्टार्टेड. बट द फैक्ट दैट आई एम श्योर कि बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं who can do content creation and who do not do content creation just because it can be exhausting vis-a-vis the public perception of things. I think it's just wrong and I think does not really make sense क्योंकि किसी को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. I mean, I started content creation और उससे पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा anxious था कि भाई लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या बोलेंगे. और मेरे फ्रेंड्स जब देखेंगे, मेरे जिनको मैं जानता हूँ स्कूल कॉलेज से, वो लोग देखेंगे, मेरे रिलेटिव्स देखेंगे, what will they think? It was a big mental block and that mental block has delayed me from doing what I wanted to do 10 साल से. और एवरीबडी नोज़ कि अगर मैं 10 साल पहले कंटेंट क्रिएशन ठीक से स्टार्ट करता और अगर मैं कंसिस्टेंटली करता रहता तो मैं कहाँ होता भाई इस टाइम. मैं कहाँ बैठा होता मुझे पता भी नहीं है. मेरी शायद शक्ल भी सेम नहीं होती. मैं बोटॉक्स वोटॉक्स करा के पता नहीं कहाँ से मियामी के बीच पे बैठा होता इस टाइम अगर मैं 10 साल पहले कंटेंट क्रिएशन ठीक से स्टार्ट करता था. मेरा सिर्फ वो एक मेंटल ब्लॉक कि भाई लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, पब्लिक परसेप्शन, ब्ला 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 नॉनसेंस. उस चक्कर में मैंने कुछ करा नहीं. और भाई अब जब मेरे को करना है तो पिछले 10 साल में मार्केट बहुत क्लटर्ड है तो इट हैज़ गॉटन 10 टाइम्स हार्डर इन द पास्ट 10 years और इवन मोर देन दैट. तो मेरे को वो नुकसान हुआ है एंड उससे मुझे रियलाइज होता है कि भाई जो लोग अभी भी रुके हुए हैं, पीपल हु स्टिल स्टक विद all of those anxiety and with all of that overthinking even in 2026, तो भाई मत करो तुम. If you think you're right, if you think you can do well, if you think you have a creative mind, if you want to do it, even if you don't think you're creative, तुम्हें करना है, तुम्हें बस चुल है, तुम्हें स्टार्ट करना और तुम्हें एक रीज़न से रुके हो, मत रुक, करो स्टार्ट, do it and do it without caring. क्या हो जाएगा? The worst thing that can happen is that you won't be good at it. So what? The worst thing that can happen is that nobody would watch you. The worst thing that can happen is that people might make fun of you. कोई मजाक नहीं बनाने वाला तुम्हारा. एक आध बारी कोई बोलेगा, 2 बार बोल देगा, तीसरी बारी से किसी को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता इतना. nobody cares. everybody is busy figuring out their own life और उनकी अपनी लाइफ के fuck-ups and they do not have the time to sit down and look at you and watch your content and tell people कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कर रहा है, वैसे कर रहा है. और मजाक बनाने का किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. एक बार कर लेगा कोई, 2 बार कर लेगा, तीसरी बार कोई भी नहीं करेगा. और वो जो 2 बार कर रहे हैं घंटा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए उससे. मेरे तो भाई 10 बार ही बजा लो, मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा. मैं तो शुरू कर दिया, मैं तो नहीं रुकने वाला. तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा है, तुम्हें लगता रहे, मुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है भाई. मेरे घर में आके कोई मुझे क्या बोल रहा है, आई डोंट केयर. आई जस्ट सिंपली डू नॉट केयर एंड मी नॉट केयरिंग इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज हैड. इट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई डेवलप्ड बिकॉज आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि when if I don't care about people and if I don't look down on people who are doing content, if I don't look down on people who are making videos and just putting themselves out there, showing their creativity, being themselves, तो लोग मेरे को भी क्यों देखेंगे. और देखेंगे तो देखो भाई, देखने के लिए ही बना रहा हूँ मैं. देखो ना, क्यों नहीं देख रहे हो. तो my one advice after all of this is कि भाई करो, just start. Do not care about what people will think. Do not care if you will be good or not. Do not care about anything. If you think you have a creative mind, इफ़ यू थिंक दैट यू विल बी गुड एट इट, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम अच्छा कर सकते हो, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम बढ़िया करोगे, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि अच्छा ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, ये तो मेरा भी है. स्टार्ट फॉर द राइट रीजन्स. डू नॉट स्टार्ट फॉर द रॉन्ग रीजन्स. डू नॉट स्टार्ट कि अच्छा बहुत पैसा है ये कर लेता हूँ. डू नॉट स्टार्ट कि फेम मिल जाएगा ये करूँ. स्टार्ट फॉर द राइट रीजन. स्टार्ट बिकॉज यूर पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग. स्टार्ट बिकॉज यूर बिल्डिंग समथिंग. स्टार्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वट एवर रीजन दैट यू हैव. Start for the right reasons and because मेरी तरह I think when you'll start you'll realize that it is extremely liberating. It just gives you so much freedom. एंड वो ना क्या होता है, यू जस्ट कीप ऑन रिपिंग योर बैंडेड ऑफ. आई रिमेंबर जब मैंने अपनी पहली रील डाली थी, फर्स्ट रील, इट वॉज अ बैंडेड दैट आई रिप्ड ऑफ. देन बहुत टाइम तक मेरे को था कि मैं लो एफर्ट. देन द फर्स्ट रील दैट आई पुट आउट विच वॉज अ हाई एफर्ट रील, नॉट इवन टॉकिंग, हाई एफर्ट, दैट वॉज अनदर बैंडेड दैट आई रिप्ड ऑफ. उसके बाद माई फर्स्ट टॉकिंग रील was the biggest band-aid that I took off because speaking on camera was an extremely huge thing for me. क्योंकि मेरे ये जो पब्लिक परसेप्शन की सारी बातें कर रहा हूँ मैं, ये मेरे अंदर से ही निकली हुई हैं क्योंकि ये मेरे अंदर ही था इतने साल. टॉकिंग रील was a band-aid that I ripped off. उसके बाद टॉकिंग रील करने के बाद भी इतने महीनों तक मैंने कोई ऐसी रील नहीं बनाई थी. उसके बाद हाई एफर्ट टॉकिंग रील बनाना was another thing. उसके बाद ये यूट्यूब स्टार्ट करना was another thing. और अब मैं एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे हूँ कि भाई कोई बैंडेड बची ही नहीं है टू रिप ऑफ. I have done everything. I've put myself out there in every way possible. There is no way that I can stop now. There is nothing left for me to do. There is nothing left for me to start new. as far as content is concerned, I'm doing everything. I'm doing talking reels, I'm doing talking videos, I'm doing long form, I'm doing YouTube, I'm doing Instagram, I'm doing everything. There is nothing left. So I won't stop because I've ripped all the band-aids off, and it's taken a long time for me to rip all of those band-aids off together. So I'm not going to stop now. And my one advice to people who haven't started is that you should, because when you get to a position that I am in, I haven't made it. I don't have anything. I don't have numbers. I don't have anything to show you कि भाई मैंने ये I've taken these steps and this is where I've gotten. But I've started, and I think I feel empowered in a sense that I've started and that I'm doing what I want to do, and that I don't have anxieties holding me back anymore. I don't have those insecurities. I don't have none of that because I ripped those band-aids off myself. I'm extremely proud of myself for doing that. And अब नहीं रुक सकता मैं, ना मैं रुकूंगा अब, क्योंकि मैंने सब तो कर लिया. इतनी मेहनत करके मैंने वो सारे बैंडेड्स रिप ऑफ करे हैं. आई हैव tried so hard, I've convinced myself so hard to just rip all of those band-aids off, or just be out there, put myself out there, do what I want to do. And अब तो मैं रुकूंगा ही नहीं. So if you're stuck in a position where I was stuck 4 or 5 years ago, just start. क्योंकि eventually you'll reach this point where you'll be like कि अच्छा ठीक है, start कर दिया, अब तो सब कर दिया, अब तो सारा कुछ कर चुका हूँ मैं, जो भी possible था करने के लिए मैंने वो कर दिया है. अब तो मतलब अब तो मैं रुकूंगा ही नहीं कहीं पे भी. There is no public perception that you need to take care of. There is no public perception that you need to take care of. I read this somewhere, and this is what actually shifted my mindset, that people care about a public identity that they do not have yet. And that is so true. You do not have a public identity. You don't need to care about public perception. You don't need to care about who'll make fun of you, because nobody will. I'm not saying that you don't need to care because they will. They will not. They don't have the time. Nobody cares. And you also don't need to care if you'll be good at it or not, because if you won't be good at it, the worst that can happen is that nobody would watch you, and then you'll have to stop. उससे बुरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो करो ना स्टार्ट. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट, जस्ट स्टार्ट, गिव इट अ गो, स्टार्ट, एंड देन डू नॉट स्टॉप. डू नॉट केयर अबाउट पीपल, जस्ट डू इट. बहुत ज्ञान की बातें कर चुका हूँ मैं. आई डोंट नो वीडियो का फ्लो कैसा बना है. आई डोंट नो वीडियो का क्या सीन है. 2:30 बज रहा है रात का. आई डोंट इवन केयर कि क्या फ्लो है वीडियो का. आई डिड नॉट हैव अ स्क्रिप्ट. आई डिड नॉट हैव पॉइंटर्स. It was all from the heart. It was just something that I feel very strongly about, because this is something that has held me back for so many years. And if I can help one person start because of all of this nonsense that I just said, I think my goal's done. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in another video. I'll see you on Sunday. We'll be talking about something else. I don't even know what it is right now. I say this every time, but I am extremely excited to be doing this. I am very grateful that I do this. I am very grateful that I am in the position where I can't stop now, because मैं सब कर चुका हूँ. So I will keep on seeing you twice a week, every week, no matter what. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on Sunday. Bye bye.